This is the most snow we have gotten in a while. You can see Josh shoveled the driveway yesterday, so there's like a huge mounds.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast.
I thought I got like 3. I got a whole entire bag. I think we got enough peppers.
And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Okay, we have a grocery haul today and spent about $330, which seems like a lot, but for 8 people, when you divide out how much we spend on groceries a week, really not that much. And I feel like when you take into account like what we got, I did get pretty much stuff, but it's not like it's a crazy amount of food or anything like that. But starting out with the meats that I got, I did get some chicken because we're gonna do chicken tacos, and I will need to get some more chicken because I also wanna make chicken parmesan. Got some breakfast sausage. The kids all love these little breakfast sausages, so we're always making them. More sausage because when I make biscuits and gravy or anything else, I use that. Also got a thing of bacon, again, for 8 people. This is not even enough bacon, but I think I usually buy meat and bacon and things like that at Sam's Club, but with these weather conditions, I wasn't exactly feeling going to drive to Sam's Club today, or probably anytime in the next few days. Again, that's why I got ground beef in the fridge, because it seems like, I guess I should have left it outside longer. Lots of Hawaiian rolls. I put one of the like 24 packs, or 2 of the 24 packs on my list, and I guess they were out of those, so we got 4 giant packs of these, which again is not that much because I had one of these just sitting in my pantry, like one of the big ones. The kids ate it just as snacks. They were eating it like randomly with the rolls. And then I also like to make them sandwiches and things sometimes. I mean, they're not gonna go bad in this house, that is for sure. Some mozzarella cheese. I'm always buying cheeses. Some beef broth because I want to make a cheeseburger potato soup this week, like a cheesy one. Some garden rotini. Also really loved this Pioneer Woman. I saw it because I was wanting to do, it's called like a taco bake, and I've seen it everywhere for a while. I'm really not sure like who originally shared it. And kind of like a taco lasagna, but I wanted a circular tray for that. This one was really pretty. It has like a lace around the edge. Bagels, all the Cheeto mac and cheeses, because with all the kids being in the house, sometimes Eli brings us in his lunch as well. Being in the house with these kids, we need some caffeine, don't we? Caffeine, caffeine. The strawberry sunrise Alani, but they switched it out for the orange kiss, which I love the orange kiss too, so I'm not complaining, but I already did get the orange kiss in this big pack. Eggs, I was actually kind of surprised we got the 18 eggs because of everybody panic buying things. Oh, one is cracked. Oh. Heavy cream, just with cooking, I like to keep heavy cream in the house. Stocked up on some taco seasoning, which again, anytime we make tacos, I make at least 2 pounds of meat, so this is not that much, but again, I like to buy the ones at Sam's. Salsa, thick and chunky, just like me. I do like this one. It's the mild, thick and chunky. Jar of white and red ×2. And then I was actually talking to my mom while I was planning out my meals, and she was talking about how they take these taco shells and make like little taco salads with them, but you're having carbs because you're putting these in the bottom, so that sounded really good. They're just these cheesy hard shells. They put them in the bottom and then just kind of do, so that's what I'm gonna do with that taco chicken. 5 cheese Texas toast, super fancy around here. Doritos and chips for chips and salsa. Josh is always saying that he does not want snacks in the house. Like anytime I'm asking him like if he wants a snack or anything like that to have in the house or food, he never says any requests, but then he is always going to the pantry and the fridge and he's like, why don't we have any chips and salsa in this house? I'm like, okay. So I kind of just know now that every time I grocery shop, I get chips and salsa because he's gonna want to have it. Holy jalapenos. I thought I got like 3. I cut them out and then cut all the stuff out of them, stuffed them with cream cheese and cheddar cheese. So good. Bananas and apples because we're so healthy around here. These are gonna get used for the taco bake and those will fit perfectly in the tray, which is what I was wondering. Yes! Big old thing of ketchup. I used to wonder, like way back when, before kids, who in the heck needs to buy like you know, ketchup or like sauces or those big things at Sam's like ketchup. Another one of these, I already have one in the freezer, but the kids love this pizza. This is, if they need something quick, I'll throw this in for them. Arby's curly fries, these are a housewide favorite in the air fryer. They're pretty good. With the mild sauce, can you tell we're making a couple different Mexican dishes this week? These are for the taco bake, the con queso, and then I got some other queso for when we have the taco bowls. Cream cheese for those jalapenos as well as for bagels. We already have some cream cheese, but we need some more. Whoa, some buns in case we do burgers or just, I don't know. I really don't know, you guys. I don't have our meals all the way planned out, but I kind of just go with some ideas and get things that I think we're going to need. Shredded lettuce that looks like it's seen better days for sure. It's okay, that's what you get when you do a grocery delivery. I'm not complaining though, because I'm very thankful that we were able to get a grocery delivery today. Some roasted corn for when we do taco bowls, some string cheese because all love string cheese. A lot of times if it's close to dinner and they like want something, I'll either say they can have an apple, a string cheese, or a yogurt so that they're eating something somewhat healthy and they're not just like eating all these chips and then filling up and not being hungry for dinner. Sour cream for the taco bake, shredded cheese for a couple of different things. A couple bags of these veggie pastas. Ellery really likes these. Rotini, some crescent rolls. Fairlife milk. I actually do like this milk in the chocolate flavor for if I'm gonna drink milk. I don't drink milk. The kids just want it for cereal. And I'm not gonna lie, we usually do buy Great Value milk, but they didn't have it. So we got the fancy milk. And this kind stays better longer anyways. So panko breadcrumbs because like I said, I do wanna get more chicken and fried chicken pretty soon as well. Some baking powder because I wanna make some bagels. And then I got Kinder's. Oh, they gave me buttery steakhouse. Okay, I was supposed to get burger blend, but Greek yogurt for those 3 ingredient bagels. I've made them before. It's just like baking powder, Greek yogurt, and then flour, I believe. King Arthur bread flour because I do like this if I'm making bread or anything bread related. And then last but very not least, I got 2 things of Coke Zero because when I met Josh, he was drinking Dr. Pepper and he claimed diet soda was disgusting, but I got him on Coke Zero. And he really loves it now. So that's what we both typically drink on a weekend. Take my hand, and we don't need to do the things we don't want to do. Isn't she cutesy?
So cute. I love it. No.
Isn't she cute?
I like that.
She's like a little baking, but she's got like...
Yeah, it's cutesy. I like it.